We'll guide you through how to create games using Replit AI Game Builder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. Sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the Create button. You'll see an option for AI Game Builder in the template selections. Click on it to start your game project. The interface is pretty intuitive and straightforward. You'll be greeted with a code editor on the left and a preview window on the right. Start by choosing a game template that suits your idea. Replit AI Game Builder offers several templates like platformers, puzzle games, and more. Once you've selected your template, you can customize it by editing the code or using the AI assistant. The AI can help you generate code snippets or even entire game mechanics if you describe what you want in natural language. Just type your request in the AI prompt area and let it do the heavy lifting. If you're new to coding, take advantage of the AI's suggestions to learn as you go. You can also modify the assets like images and sounds by uploading your own or selecting from Replit's library. Test your game frequently by clicking the Run button to see how your changes affect gameplay. Debugging is crucial, so pay attention to any error messages that pop up in the console. Once you're satisfied with your game, click Publish to share it with others or keep it private for further development. You can also collaborate with friends by inviting them to edit your project. This is a great way to learn and get feedback on your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.